Why are y'all all over me like that? I don't got no food or nothing. What is it? That's amazing. Look at that moon up there, and look at all these seagulls. All had no food. Y'all just came and attacked me like that movie, The Birds. Oh wait, can I do it? Frank, get over here. I'll bust your butt. Look at the crow. How come y'all got up in it? Now you got a little crow up in it. That's fun, huh, little crow? Right? Get over here. I'm gonna bust your butt. Wow. Thanks, birdies. I really needed that. Way to go, birdies. Hey, Mr. Crow. Frank, where were you going, little doggy? Can't believe you even tried to leave my sight. Bye, birdies. Which one of y'all named Billy? Which one of y'all is named Billy? Thank you, Lord. Make us an army together, huh, birdies?